Guys, I'm here to show you how to make a countdown clock, and this is part 1 video, and we'll release next part 2 video also. So let's start. First, open your PowerPoint. Then blank presentation. Layout blank. Then insert shape. Select and color it. Select it. Ctrl C for copy it and Ctrl V for paste it. Resize it by selecting it and font size. Select it animation, then disappear on click auto, then select next one, disappear. After previous, delay 1 second, disappear. After previous, delay 1 second, disappear. After previous, delay 1 second, and so on. I'm not animating 0, so it will appear at last. Animation preview. Okay, fine. This is part 1 video, and we will show in next video how to add sound and moderate it. So I hope you like it. Thank you.